Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, we're working on a quick project today because I don't have a lot of time. We're going to get this done. So back in 2022, I bought a bunch of these first Christmas as an aunt ornament. All of them except this one sold. So clearly it's past 2022 and now I've got this piece of wood. I can either burn it or I can try to repurpose it. So of course we're going to try and repurpose it. It is burned in the wood the first Christmas 2022. So we are going to have to get that out somehow, like sand it down or fill it. Those are my options. It was a $5 ornament back in 2022. All the other ones sold. It came in a pack of 5, 6, something like that. And they sold. So that's good news. All but one are gone. This is the lonely little guy that didn't sell. And they're the wood rounds. Not hugely popular. Wood rounds aren't. I have a few wood rounds that we could repurpose or we could use up that I bought for another ornament project. We'll see how this one goes. Okay, so first of all, let's see if we can sand this one out or if I'm going to have to fill it and paint it. I'd like to ideally get this down to the bare wood and go from there. I mean, the back is bare wood, but then I'd still have this on the back. Could put a felt piece on there or whatever, but it's just, I don't think that would look good. I don't think it would look good. If I can't, I guess we fill it and paint it, but let's not put the cart before the horse. Let's get some sandpaper on this bad boy. All right. All right, so I sanded it off screen. I didn't mean to, but I forgot to hit the button. Didn't go well. This is not anywhere near where it needs to be. This is an 80 grit sandpaper. I would like for it to take it down much, much further, but I think if I do, the bark is going to start coming off. So I guess we will have to figure out a solution to the back, and we're going to use this as our new front. Let's do a little 120 on it. Now that's cleaned up on this side and smoothed out. Now, so you've been watching the channel, then you saw that I got in these transfers. They were from a company I found on Facebook. No idea. I was pretty sure I was getting ripped off, but I didn't. I got them, and I'm going to use them on this wood round. Let's see if we can find... Oh, I love the Santa. Love the Santa. Y'all, that's actually really cute. I like the deer head. I think we're going to go with this. So that deer head right there. We're going to cut it out. There we go. All right. So then we have our deer. Something like that. Let's put his head right in the center. Oh. Oh, it's so pretty. Anything else we want to put on there with it? Maybe a snowflake and some little ornaments. It's cute. All right, I'm getting paint on the back here. So we definitely need to do something with the back. Let's figure that out. All right, so this is a scrapbook paper, and it is a Christmas scrapbook paper, but I'm not going to be using the Christmas part. I'm going to be using this brown textured part. I think that is going to work best. Yeah, I think that'll work best. So let's get some decoupage glue on that. This is not a great brush. That's okay. It's not a great surface either. Oh, there we go. Just want to make sure that stays open. So you still have to get a hanger in there. Let that dry. All right, so the back is dry. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a little plain for me. So we've got glitter. Of course we have glitter. Duh. We just need more Mod Podge and glitter. So this is a dotting tool. It gives you the ability to kind of control a little where you want it. Like, let's put a little crown of glitter there. Maybe the antlers. It's a little more precise than a brush just because there's no bristles going every which way. They're snowflakes. All right, let's glitter this thing. Nope. Got a little heavy-handed with my glitter. Really heavy-handed with my glitter. Pretty. Let's let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to put a coat of Mod Podge over the whole thing. Let's get some of the glitter cleaned up. open up. There we go. Again, we're waiting for stuff to dry. And that's really it for me today. This is going back into inventory now. It's glittery. Can you see the glitter? I don't know. I kind of like how some of the glitter has spread out around the whole ornament. So now I have hard coat on the front and on the back. Oh, let's clean that up. Ooh, there we go. I haven't put the hanger on it yet because I'm going to use a jute twine, and it's in my kit. It's in my kit that I take to the booth. So I don't have any in here right now. I don't have any jute. I don't have any on the wall back there, do I? I say stuff like that, and then I'm like, wait, do I have some? Is it on the wall? I don't think so. I don't think I have any. I got an itch. Oh, I got an itch. Ugh, dry skin. It's already starting. Minnesota winter. Anyway, that's how I'm going to save this ornament and keep it from the burn pile. I mean, that's where it was going. But I paid for that ornament. So it's like, even though I paid for it wholesale and it had already been paid for, I hate to now then throw this piece of inventory in a burn pile because it didn't sell. So at least now it has an opportunity. This needs to be trimmed a little bit. Now it has an opportunity to go back into inventory and maybe get sold. Maybe at a lesser price, who knows, but at least it's not going to waste. So again, we don't like waste here. We don't like to waste anything. As you can tell by all the crap I'm keeping, trying to figure out what to do with all this stuff. And I got to get to that chair behind me. It's a lot. It's a lot, and I had a lot going on, so sorry, Fred. It was not a good time to throw a new project at me. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna, when I have a whole day. And I have not had a whole day in a very long time. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.